Yesterday, there are some people that are trying Excel for the first time.
Yes,
I
yes.
believe those people will have practiced a lot
Hopefully.
after we left the class. Well, I think we are ready for today's work.
Yes, we can see your screen. Yes, we can see your screen very clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Already.
Okay. Don't forget yesterday we touched on some we touched on introduction to Excel. We taught ourselves how to open Excel files, how to create new worksheets, workbooks. We got our hands dirty by diving into some common formulas and functions. And I believe that all what we learned yesterday, we have practiced them. If we have not, then we have to. We have to. Because it is only when you do constant practice that you get to understand what anything you have learned is about. Today, we are moving to another thing entirely, and that is data cleaning. Data cleaning is all the processes that are used in identifying, highlighting, and taking action against all kinds of errors in a data set to have organized data. There is no way you can download or you can get Excel files without that will be error free. So for you to have private data, then you have to clean your data. And data cleaning takes a lot of time. It depends on the size of the data set. It depends on what you want to do with that data set. There are many built-in Excel functions and features that are directly or indirectly used to ease the data cleaning process in Excel. And we are going to use some of them so that we know how to handle them whenever occasions arise. What is the importance of data cleaning? As I said earlier, you download or you'll be given raw data sets. Any data sets that are given to you, just believe that it is not clean. So you have to clean them. For what? For accuracy. And you need accurate data when doing analysis on that data set. For what again? For reliability. Anything you get, any result you get from this analysis of that data set should be reliable. So to get that reliability, you have to clean that data. And for efficiency, if your data set is not cleaned, then you are going to spend a lot of time doing analysis, because it is that time you are doing analysis that you'll be cleaning that data, and you waste a lot of time. And finally, data cleaning enhances decision making, because if you have cleaned your data, then the result of your analysis is to make decisions, organizational decisions, academic decisions. So if your data is not clean and you get inaccurate results, then your decision making will be prone to problems. What are the issues with data that we have to clean the data? There are some issues with data that we are going to see as we progress. Issues like spelling mistakes. The person inputting the data into the worksheet or workbook may have made some mistakes, unknowingly spelling mistakes. Instead of typing the correct one, maybe he typed the wrong one, and that will affect your analysis. So you have to correct all those ones. Duplicate data. Some records may be duplicated. So you have to check for that and correct them. Uncategorized test cases. At times, you may want to type capital letter to start a word, and you type small letter. Or you mistakenly type capital letter in the middle of a word, then you have to correct all those ones. Unnecessary spaces. As you are typing, you wanted to press the space bar of the keyboard just once, and you press it 2 times, 3 times. It happens. Then that one also can affect your data analysis. Then you have to clean them up. There are organized formatting of numbers, times, and dates. So the numbers should be cleaned, the times should be cleaned, and as well as the dates. And you have different date formats, and we are going to see them as we progress. Missing text or missing values in a specific position. You have some missing data in the data sets. And there are various ways in dealing with those missing data. Maybe you don't need them. You may delete the rows where missing data exists. Or you may have to correct the missing data by inputting a number or a value into that missing cells. And don't forget, I've told you that you are going to spend a lot of time in data cleaning. It takes almost 60% of your time when working with data. Sorry. These basics of data cleaning itself can be summed to these few steps. 1, you import raw data from an external data source. I told you, when you import data from an external data source, data may not be clean. You have to clean them up. Meanwhile, when you get data from an external data source, before you start to work on it, make a copy of that data set and keep the original one, the one you downloaded, keep it apart and then work on that copy. So you should know that, because you may make mistakes while working on that data, on that data set, and you have to fall back to the one you have copied, and then you recopy, then you start to work again. Organize the data in table form with the right data in the right place. That's one is clear. You have to clean the data according to your needs. What you need the data for will dictate how you can clean that data. Okay? Yeah. Let's start with spell checking. And this is the correction of misspelled words. To do this, follow this route. Let me open one data set for today, for our example today. Okay. I prepared a workbook for this lesson, for the data cleaning lesson, and I prepared another one for data manipulation, because those are the lessons we are going to focus on this morning. Spell checking. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Is there a way we can also get access to this workbook for practice also live?
And we are going to give you after the lesson. We are going to give you. No problem. Yeah. Mute that speaker. Yeah. Spell checking. you have to highlight the column you want to check spelling mistakes. And this may be the entire worksheet or a column or a set of columns or rows. Yeah, let's say, I think you are seeing my slide, my workbook.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You
Okay,
can.
that's column B. You want to check whether there's any spelling mistake there. So you select that column, go to review on the menu bar located on the ribbon. Go to review, then the leftmost part, you see spelling. You see the result that this one has brought. Spell check complete. You are good to go. It means there's no spelling error there. But let us work on this so that we this one, instead of web, I will type I there. On the market, I change it to marketer. Let's start with that two first. So I select this again. I go back to spelling. See, I think you see what has happened.
So we no longer see your screen.
We can't see your screen, sir.
We can see your screen. Maybe your
Okay,
network. Can you check your network?
it is your network. People
We
are seeing my
can't see
screen.
it. We can't see it.
We
Let
can't
me
see it.
reshare. Okay, let me reshare it.
The Excel sheet is no more showing.
Please, is there a way that we can get the worksheets before?
Review. And spelling.
Come on, sir. Please, is it possible that we can get the?
Can you see it now?
Yes, we can see your screen.
Yes,
Yeah.
we can see your screen.
Yeah.
We can see your screen. We can see your
Oh, okay. Mr. Jimo,
Yeah.
the best will have been for us to get this Excel sheet as your work so that we can be battling at the same time as we work. That's the best
Okay.
thing, sir.
Let
Exactly.
me send it to you so that you share it with them.
Okay, thanks a lot.
I will send 2 sheets
Okay, sir.
because you are going to use the 2 today.
Okay, sir.
There's the sheet. Hello?
We can hear you, sir.
Okay. The admin will give you the sheets. Hello?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
I'm coming. Excuse me, please. I'm coming. Please give me some minutes. I want to copy this thing out. System E. Okay, okay.
So let's just give him a moment to share the files
Okay.
because it's good that we have the
Okay.
file.
Yeah. It's better for you to have the file than to be creating new worksheets yourself. Mr. Lariwaju?
I'm with you, sir. I'm with you, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. I send the file to you on WhatsApp.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
I'm trying to open this. Open my WhatsApp.
So it's yet to go. I'm sure it's still uploading there.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, you can continue the session while I am expecting the files. I will always
Okay. Please welcome. I think one is uploading now. But it is not that one that I'm using now.
Sales.csv, so I'm expecting the last
So I'm
one.
saying, okay, another one will come now.
Okay. I'm sure by next week now we will not go through all the because we have uploaded
Yes.
all the materials on the learning platform.
Yes.
Okay, I've received the second one.
Okay, that's it. Please
So you can complete the
share
session.
it
while
for
I'm-
everybody.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Yeah. Welcome. Okay.
So you can continue the session while I'm doing
Yes.
that.
I'm trying to share my screen.
Okay.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry for that interruption. I'm going to continue now. So I opened a workbook the other time, and that is where you're going to work. Can you see that workbook now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. We are on spell checking to see whether the right word is being typed there. So I will check it the other time and there was no error. But now I'm trying to change some of what is written there so that we can see how this thing work. So, okay, let me change. Okay, now I select this column again. I go to review, spelling. See, it has brought me some suggestions that do I want to type web or we or where? So it's trying to give you suggestions so that you pick one from the suggested words. Then I will just agree with it on this, and I will say change your. Maybe we have a very large data set, and we might have made the same mistake all over in a lot of columns. Then just pick change all, and it will change all that one. After that one, if we jump to another column where it sees there is an error, then I agree with it on this one also, because the right thing is product, not product pay. So I just say change all. So spell check complete, you are good to go. That is how you check spelling errors. I think that one is clear. Don't forget, we are on data cleaning. We are cleaning the data. And you may select all the data sets like this, or the worksheet, and still go and check spelling error. So spell check complete, you are good to go. If there's any spelling error there, it will pick them for you so that you can make amendments. The second one is when there are duplicates in your data set, it will affect analysis, as I've already told you. But how can you get the duplicates? That is what we are going to do now. Our data set again, there is another worksheet here. when working on data set, you have to make the columns wide enough to show whatever they are, to show whatever inside them. See as I'm expanding them. So we want to know if they are duplicates. And that one is not hard at all. So what we do is that there are many ways to it. You click. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Go on, sir. Please go on. Please go on.
Hello?
Please go on.
Okay. You select the whole sheet. You go to home, go to conditional formatting, highlight set rules, then come to this place, duplicate values, because we are looking for duplicates. Then all those ones highlighted in red. Okay, you see all those ones highlighted in red colors, they are the duplicate values. That's what happened because we have pre-programmed it to show it in that color. It can be done gradually. You can specify any color you want to make, but this is not what we are looking for, right? What we are looking for is different from this one. Let me take us through another route. Hello?
We're hearing, sir.
Yes, sir, we're with you.
We can hear you.
Okay. I think you understand what I've just done now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Look, can you please repeat the process again, please?
Okay. Let me undo this. Control Z. You want to know where the duplicate values are. Then you select all. Oh, sorry, this thing is wrong. You select all your data sets, all your worksheet, like this. On the Home tab, you click on conditional formatting. I think you can see it.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Was set to us.
Under conditional formatting, you go to highlight cell rules.
Yeah.
Have you seen it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Then you move here. Can you see my cursor?
Yes.
And you select, you come down, you select duplicate values.
Conditional
Can you see that?
formatting.
Yes, we can.
Highlight
Yeah.
here.
Okay. Then you select it like that. You click on it like that. Do you get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. What we are going to do now is that you undo it Let's start afresh again. Select the cells you are interested in. On the Home tab, go to conditional formatting. We are going another route to select new rules. New rule there. Hello?
Yes, sir.
We're hearing, sir.
Where are we to, sir? Go on.
Okay. Are you here?
Yes, sir.
You see it. Then from here, you want to use a formula to determine which cell to format. You want to use formula now. Then you come here. See, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Hello?
We can hear you.
Okay. Click OK. Oh, sorry, I've not entered. Click this place. Format values where this formula is true. Then you write your formula equals to capital count if okay, count if dollar sign. Let's see. Let's use C dollar sign. C. We are using the C column. C row 41 to no C row 2 to. Are you following me? Dollar C.
Abdulhamid is raising his hand. Abdulhamid, you raise your
Yes,
hand.
sir, yes, sir. I'm following you, sir.
You are raising your okay. You are following us.
Abdulhamid,
You are
somebody
following
raise
me.
their hand.
Ask
Okay,
your
go on,
question,
sir.
please.
He has lowered his hands.
Okay. Let's do. Six 13, 6 12. Oh, 6 12. Dollar. You are using formula C8. Greater than 1. Okay. I did not give it color. Oh God.
Please, sir, can you take the process again?
Okay, that's what I'm doing.
Sorry,
Select
and
all.
it seems like, sorry, sir. And
Yeah?
it seems like the data you have is different from what we have there.
Different.
No, it's not different. Go to
Okay,
duplicate.
what is
Tab.
happening is that have you what's the name of that your data set? Book 1, Abi? Is it book 1?
Yes, book 1.
Yes,
Okay,
it's book 1.
look, book what?
Book 1.
Book 1. Okay, this is another worksheet. Look at the bottom part of that book 1. You will see some worksheets there.
Okay, sir.
Click on duplicate.
Okay.
What are you seeing?
Thank you. Yes.
You have
It's
seen
what's
it?
on it. Yes, I've seen.
Okay, that's it. Because
Thank you.
I just have to make some worksheets so that this program will be very, very easy to follow. Okay. It's better we don't use formula here. Okay, you have selected all the all the cells that you are interested in. Then you go to conditional formats. Are you following me?
Yes, sir. Yes,
I'm with
sir.
you, sir.
Let's use the pre-made ones. Highlight cells rules. We are looking for duplicate values. So click on duplicate values. If you duplicates are the ones marked there, you can change the color. You can change the color to. You are not seeing it. Can you see it now?
No, sir, I still can't see it.
Maybe you
Just
should log
log
out and log again. On join
in
No,
again.
and
you.
log in.
She has to shift the screen herself.
Can you see it now?
Yes.
Sorry, sir.
Should I
Please, sir,
repeat
do
it?
we have access to this workbook that you are working with, sir?
They have shared it.
You don't have
Hello?
it, sir.
Yes, hello,
Shared.
sir.
It has been shared. Look at the
Yes,
chat.
I
Look at
can see
the
it now. Yes, yes, I
at the
can see it
charts. Look
now.
at the chat window. If you look at the charts on the charts,
The chat window, right?
the
Okay.
chat window, I'm sending it again now. Then also it has also been shared with in our email also.
Maybe.
Can you see the chat window? Can you see a link there? A link there.
Yes, I'm seeing a link there, sir.
Click on that link. If you click on the link, it will open the folder where you can download the two files.
Okay.
Okay. I think you can continue.
Yes,
Please.
please.
Don't worry if you miss anything. We are going to send the slide as well as
The
the
recording also.
so that after the lesson you can, and the slide is easy to grasp, self-explanatory, so that you can do everything again, because we have to work with time. So
A lot to cover.
now we have seen the duplicates. We want to remove the duplicates. You select the entire document like this. We are doing this because we have few records here. If we have a voluminous record, we may not be doing it like this. So select the entire data. Then you go to data. Can you see the data tab?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So yeah. Here, hey, look at this icon. Where I place my cursor. Hello,
Okay.
can you see it? Remove duplicates. Then you just click on
Yes,
it.
sir.
Yes,
Click on it. So you have to select where you want to remove duplicates. Then you click OK. See answer, 1 duplicate values found and removed. 11 unique values remain. So it has removed 1 duplicate value. Let us do it again so that it will be very, very clear. Undo this. Check yourself, which one, is there any duplicate record here? Look
Yes.
at A6. A6, where the name Alejandro Groove is.
Hmm.
And B11, B6 and B11, Alejandro Groove. So that's a duplicate record. And if you check all the record, they wrote the same. Same thing there. That means it is a mistake. That record is not supposed to. Can I repeat it? Eh?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Let your data. I've selected everything. You know, it was here before. Then I go to data. Here, I move my cursor to remove duplicates. And I click on it. I select all everything. So it has removed one duplicate. So that's how to remove duplicates. We are moving.
Yes, sir.
Let's move forward. That one is clear. Now we are replacing text. Click on replacing text worksheet. Okay. Go back to the home tab. At the far right, you see find and select. Can you see that?
Sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
You click replace. So other status, we have completed planning, completed planning, completed planning. You want to replace completed with uncompleted. Under find what, you write completed. Oh, sorry. You write completed. Replace with what? Uncompleted. So click replace all. All done. We made it replacements. Can you see it now? Is it clear?
Can you please take it again, sir, please?
Okay, no problem.
Find and replace.
Meanwhile, undo the changes by using Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. Select it. You don't need to select it. Click on replace. So type for find under find what you type completed. What do you want to replace completed with? Then you type uncompleted. If you look at your data well, under status, you see completed, planning, completed, planning, completed. So all those completed, want to change them to uncompleted. That's what we are doing. So click replace all. All done, we made 8 replacements. So all the completed ones have become uncompleted now. I think it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please, you are moving. You may change, you may save the changes that you just leave it like that. So that when you practice the next time, it will be very, very easy for you. Under data cleaning again, sorry, we are going to test cases. We are going to change test cases. Click on test case worksheet. Look at column B. Under name, see how they wrote those names. The first one is in capital letter throughout, followed by the second one, the same thing. The third name was written in small letter. See, look at B7. The first letter was written with a small letter, and the second letter was written with capital letter. And look at all those names. So correct this. You can select column C. Right click on it. Click on insert because you want to insert another column. Are you following? Hello?
Sir.
Yes, go ahead.
And you input this formula equals proper B what? B2. Hit enter. Can you see that? It has changed to normal case. Then you select as we use to select for the other ones. I think that one is said. So you copy Control C, and you can copy on top of it. Go to paste here, paste values. Do you know why we use their formulas? So these are values. That is how you can delete this. Delete. I think that one is also clear. Hello? Is it clear?
Yes, it is clear.
Okay, let's move.
But if you want to change everything to capital letter, what's the formula?
Yes. Then you want to change everything to capital. You use upper function. Let us use one, for example. Equals to upper. Each one, let's use B11. E11. See, can you see that? If you want to change everything to lowercase is equals to lower B11. Then the proper one is equals to proper B11. Yes. I think that one is also clear. So let's move to another worksheet. You know, at times,
Please, I have a question, sir.
okay, on that. Okay, ask your
I,
question.
sir, I missed it when you started the test case. So I missed it when you started, but I got this one you just did. So I want to ask, is it possible to change the case for a whole column?
It is possible, like the whole
Instead of
column.
selecting each cell, the one you just did is
Okay, let's do that one. Let's say this column B, name, you want everything to be in capital letter B.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you just EU in capital letter equals to upper B2. Then you copy.
Yes,
Huh?
yes, I got you.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
We are moving.
Thank you.
Mm.
Well understood.
Eh? Okay, we are moving. This
Yes,
data
sir.
again. Any question? Somebody wanted to say something.
No
Okay,
question,
look.
sir.
Okay, look at this column again. You know, you will see some characters there that are not supposed to be there. To be there. See, they are called non-printable characters. And the B3 in front and at the back. In front of B4, B5, B6. We want to remove all those characters. So what we are going to do is that, as we did the other time, we insert a column beside it. Then we do this command. What you want to do, you want to clean them up. Then clean. Clean what? What was that say? Don't worry. Let's say B2. It doesn't affect B2, but let us be like that. So you copy to the other cell. I think it is clear. It
Yes,
has
sir.
removed all
Yes,
those
sir, it's clear.
non-printable characters.
Can you please repeat?
Okay. Let me undo the changes that I've made. Okay. I select C. We want to work on B, column B, but I need a column beside B. Then I select C. I right click on it. I select insert.
Somebody is raising their hand. Abdullah Zizawa, you are raising your hand. You can speak up.
Equals to. You want to clean the non-printable characters. Equals to clean B2. And just B2 has no problem. I can start from B3. It is because I clicked on C1. That's why I'm using. I clicked on C2. That's why I'm using B2. So it doesn't matter. You can start from anywhere. So I cleaned B2. Then you extend. You copy. So it has removed all the characters that are not needed here. I think that one is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, if I may have, sorry to take us back. If I may ask, sir, are we going to get the same thing if you write equals clean into B2 to B8? I want to try it and see if are we going to get the same thing?
Okay, let us do it. Okay, equals to clean B2 to B8.
B8.
That's it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, don't forget. Don't forget. You know. So it will work, but don't forget that you have formulas there. You have to copy and paste values instead of formula. Okay, let's fix numbers. Look at, okay.
So sorry, I have a question.
What's your question?
Yeah, I just want to know how you paste. What do you use in pasting? Because I've been trying and it's giving values when I paste. So maybe there's an error.
You
somewhere.
paste values.
Can you just show me the icon
Okay.
I use?
On non-printable characters, Abi.
Yes.
Is it on this?
Yes.
Okay. I want to copy this. Are you following me?
Yeah.
Control C.
Yeah.
Click on be true. Hmm?
Yes.
Come up here, paste. Click on this down arrow button
Mm-hmm.
and paste values.
Okay. Thank you.
Here we have done this. 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 Okay, we are here now. Fixing numbers. Look here. Look at this stock quantity. The problem is that if it is a number, it will align right, like this one. So to align it to the right, you do something like this. E2, because it is on E2, equals to E2 multiply by 1. You multiply that value by 1 and it will give you a number. Or you select under Home tab, under General, you select number. Number, decimal place. Hello?
Hello, sir. We are with you, sir.
Okay. Get another column, stock quantity. So to serve as practical, stock quantity 2. Then issue this command equals to E2 multiply by 1. By 1. It will give you 200. Then you do it for the other ones. You should let me delete it and do it here so that you are not confused. Stock quantity 2. 1, 2. Okay. Equals to, the number is on it's in column E, row 2, equals to E2. You are leaving like that. You multiply by 1. And do equals to E2 multiply by 1. So it is a number now. And you change the alignment. I think it is clear. See, look at this column. you will see a kind of sign at the top here. That one is indicating that it is not a number. But now, here, we have changed it to a number. Then you can copy the formula down. Hello?
We are with you, sir.
Okay, I think that one is clear.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay, let's fix our dates.
Hello, sir. Before you go to fixing of the date, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, if you go back to the exercise you just completed,
Yeah.
there's a time you highlighted that stock quantity and then you went to format to click number and you went to decimal.
Mm.
I don't know what you were trying to do there. If you can just take it again, sir.
Okay. Let me delete this. Oh. No. I wanted to do it like this. If in general, you click on number. So more number formats. Select number. I want to remove the decimal places. So there is no decimal places. I click on it. But it did not work. Because maybe it is a comma separated value document. That's why I use the other one. But naturally, when you have numbers written like that, for example, let me write another number here, 300. So I select it. I go under general, more numbers, or number. If you want decimal places to appear, you will leave it like that. Click OK. See, it has given it 2 decimal places. If you want more numbers, you want to use 1000 separator, you click like this, then you come here, you increase your number. I think you see, this is 30 million. And the commas you see there, the comma separator that we chose the other time. See, number. So, I think you guys did like that.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Mm-hmm. So let's read it. Open this worksheet. See this date column. It may be strange, but at times in programming and data analysis stuff, so you get this like that. So what we are going to do is that we want it, the data column to be readable to everybody. You don't know this code, just select. Come back here, where we just left. More number formats. We select date. It has changed it to this. Okay. Sorry. Let us create another column here. the two, so that we know the copy, we paste here. So you want to change this date to normal date. You select them, general more number formats. From here, you select date, and it has picked a format for us. If you need something like this, you can pick it. So it has picked a format for us, and that is what we use here: day, month, year. So you click OK. So it becomes the kind of date format that we use in Nigeria. I think that one is also clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. No, at times you may have data that have some columns that you think you don't need all those columns, and you want to match them together. You want to match all, which one? Matching columns, okay. This is where we are. You want to match some columns together. Like this column B, column C, column D. We did that something like that yesterday, if you can recollect. So we want to match street name, postal code, and state together in one column. So let's input our formula. Which formula did we use yesterday? Because of
Concatenate.
Concatenate.
And this time around, we are going to separate the values for each column by dash. So equals to concatenate. B2 because we want to this, I want to separate it with that. B2 C2 this again. And which one? D2. So we have done this. Then we copy. So it has done the other ones for us. Even if you have 1 million rows like that, that's how it will do it. Any question?
Yeah, I have a
We
question.
did this one yesterday.
Can you hear me? I have a
Hello?
question on the address. Can you hear me?
Okay, I can hear you. What's the question?
Instead of making the postal code, like putting it at the middle, why can't you put it at the front so that you look like a real address that will make it more unique? Like
why can't we put it where?
At the front, instead of writing like B2, C2, then D2, can't you write it as C2, maybe B2, then D2. So it will arrange it properly. Like having postal code at the front first, followed by the street.
Okay, the arrangement. Okay,
Then
we can do it like that. Okay, let's do it then. Address to differentiate it. Sorry. Equals to, which one comes first? The street name comes first. I mean, I think this arrangement is the right
first.
The right one. The street name comes first, the postal code comes first, and the state name comes last. Or do you want us just to rearrange it anyhow? Is that the question?
If that one is okay, let's go with that one. So me, I'm just
This
looking
one
at
is
it, the
okay.
number
This
should
one
just
is
be at
okay.
the front.
You have the street name first, the postal code, and no problem. Yeah.
I think it worked from what I don't know who spoke now. It was what the person suggested. I tried it, it worked for me. I
It
need
will work.
okay.
It will work. But I thought he was saying that the arrangement is not correct.
No, I'm not saying it's not fair. I'm just trying to suggest like the
Okay,
way we used to have it, like maybe
well,
G49 so street, then followed by the name of these things.
okay. What's wrong with this? Something is wrong with this sheet. We want to distribute columns to
So click on the formula bar. It will stop.
Oh, sorry. Thank you, my sister, for that. Okay. The opposite of what we did on the last sheet is what we are going to do now. We combined street name, postal code, state into one column called address. Now we want to distribute this single column, address column, to 3 columns now. Now, how are we going to do it? We are going to do it like this. You select the column in question, the column you're interested in. Then, under data tab, you go here, text to column. You click on it. Make sure that limited is selected. So this is the column we are talking about. Then you click next. See, this hyphen or dash is the delimiter for this column. Then you remove this tab. You don't have dash here. Then you click order. Under order, you type dash.
So
Click
how did you
next.
get in?
Okay, let me
Sorry,
start
sir.
again. No, don't worry. You select the column you want to split. Then you come to data. Text to column. Text to columns. Make sure that the limited is picked, selected instead of this one. You pick this one. Then you click next. Initially, it will pick this, but our column is not delimited with tabs. So you remove it. Semicolon, no. Comma is not there. Space is not there. You click others. Then you inside this box, you type dash, because this dash is the delimiter. What they use to break those words apart. Then you click next. Destination. General text. Oh, sorry, I've made a mistake there. Text to column. Okay. On our destination is switch. Oh. I think it is clear.
Please,
No, it's not.
repeat that. Please repeat that.
What?
Please repeat.
Please, can you take that again, sir?
Okay. Undo. Click undo. Okay. Select the column where the data is. Come to data here on the menu bar. Click on it. Then come here. Text to column. Click on it. Delimited. Make sure this is picked. Click next. It will be here initially. Then you remove this. You click on order because your column is not delimited by semicolon, nor by comma, nor by space, but by dash, this icon. So you do this, then you click next. Under destination, you will type the name. You type the name of the column. There, C, starting from 2. So that's why I changed this. C, then finish. Click OK. Just hello?
Yes, we've gotten it, sir.
Yes, we've gotten it, sir.
Okay.
Sir, please, what is the
Yes.
function of the what is the function of the dollar sign?
Dollar sign.
Yeah, that separates that C and then and two.
And that's how that's the formula. That's the formula. It's a formula. You are going to get there. At times when you want to
Okay.
write formulas, you write dollar sign. Eh? That's how it will bring it to you. Yeah. You know, I did not write that dollar sign. It brought it by default. So that's how they write it.
Yes, you know that's something that instead of just typing, some will just click on those cells, and then the that number will, I mean, the city will automatically appear. But I'm not sure if those dollar sign will not appear with it.
You mean
I
on
don't know.
that dialog box?
Yes, on that dialog box. Go ahead, sir.
Yes, I'm listening to you.
Okay, on that dialog box, I discovered that you type the num or the how will I the alphanumeric
This
for that cell. Yeah, but some will
wait.
just click on that cell.
Let me do it again.
All right, sir.
Having picked this, you come here, delimited. You have done this. Then see destination. If I leave it like this, it will start from B2. But we have created columns for it. We have created street name, postal code, state for it, for where you want to put them. Then what we do is that since it is going to be separated into three, you just indicate where the column where it will start, and that is C2. This one, C2, C2, and you click finish. Okay. I think it is clear like that.
Yeah, it's clear, sir.
Let's move. You have marked this column. Which one? Okay. Now we have done this. It remains this. Switching. You want to switch rows. If you see something like this, it means the width is not enough. The column width is not enough. Okay. Now you want to switch rows and columns. You want the rows to become columns and the columns to become rows. It can happen when you are doing that analysis, but just grab it now. So you select everything. You come back home. Yeah. Yeah. And sorry. Where is this? No, that's excuse me, I've forgotten. Yes, now. Okay. Copy this. I'm trying to find transpose. Paste. I still as my system, my
Is there the first set of paste?
Yeah.
This seventh one.
Sorry, can you see your
Yeah.
okay. See,
Sorry, can't see your screen.
you can't see my screen. People can see my screen. Maybe it is
Yes,
your network.
meeting Connie Meeting Connie
Okay. Okay. So you have made columns to become rows, and rows have become columns. Then we can format all this as we like by formatting the alignments, etc. I think that's any question on this?
Sir, take it again, please.
Let me undo. Okay. I want to change columns to rows. You select everything. You copy, Control C. You click on home. Under paste. You come here as transpose. Transpose. Sorry, I did not click where I want to put it. Paste. Transpose. This is how it is done. The transaction ID, instead of being a column, it has become a row. Date, instead of being a column, it has become a row. Time, instead of being a column, it has become a row. I think it is there. You are moving.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look at this. You want to know, you want to know whether our transaction has changed from 1 month to the other. This is the record for June. And this is the record for July. You want to know the status of the records in our shop. Is the sales record for June, sales record for July. So you want to know if there's any change in our record since last month. So we write equals to if B2 equals to E2 E2 E2. Then what do you want also? What it to be? If they are the same, unchanged. Oh. Unchanged. Or changed. Mhm. Look at this record now. Last in June, we sold $345 Apple, and July the same thing. So the status does not change. The same thing under banana, the status does not change. But under kiwi, in June we sold 577. That's how much we sold. In July, it's 757. So the status has changed. So that's how it will compare the status across each item. I think this one is also clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
No,
Eh?
Yes, sir.
I didn't get it.
Yes,
I
sir.
was logged out. I didn't get it.
Okay.
I forgot to plug my system. Sorry for that.
We are using if function. Look at this formula. Equal to if B2, this B2 equals E2. If B2 and E2, if they are the same, then say unchanged. Tell me that it is unchanged. Otherwise, tell me that it is changed. That's the meaning of this formula. I think you understand like that.
Yes, sir.
How do you want me to write it up for?
It's okay. It's okay.
It's not clear.
It is clear now.
Okay. That's it. Let's leave this one.
Sir, from the formula, if you are stopped at unchanged and we didn't put change, what will happen, sir?
I think
Okay,
it won't show anything now.
if you don't do that, you have to put it. It's a condition. It's a condition.
Because of the if there.
Because of the if there. If that's that, do this, otherwise do that. Let's sort data. Okay. Okay. Sorting. We want to sort this data. Let's sort from okay, just come here. Under home tab, click on sort and filter. Can sort from A to Z, that is from the smallest, from the lowest to the highest. Sort from the highest to the lowest, or you can customize your sort. So let's sort this one. Let's look for let's select sort and filter, sort from smallest to highest. Expand the selection. So the lowest is 165, while the highest is 195. Let me undo it and repeat it. Initially, this data, 190 out of the total, 195 is the first data we see. We want to sort to know which number is the lowest and which is the highest. That is why we are sorting. You select the column you want to sort. Sort and filter. You want your data set to start from the lowest number, the lowest total, according to this data. Then you click on it. You leave this one, expand the selection. Then you sort. See, it has changed. It has changed. This is the lowest. 165 is the lowest total. Why 195 is the highest total? Let me undo it and do another one. Undo it. You want to sort from the highest to the lowest. So 195 is the highest, and the lowest is 1. You may not know the importance of this now until you start data analysis. So that's how to sort. They have simplified everything for us here. Yeah. Okay, I'm moving to removing rows with blank cells. You want to remove rows from the blank cells. Let's do this worksheet. It was just deliberately delete some. I deleted two data from two columns there, or 2 rows. So from home, what was this? Go to where this thing is. Yeah, I want to use something, but let us use additional formatting. More rules. Formatting that contain blanks. I want to give it color. Which one? Let me pick red. Sorry. format that contain under format with blanks here. I want to give it color. Let me use labels. Once. This is what I want to do.
So I think you should use fill rather than using color since we don't have a text there.
I should use what?
You should use the fill option so that the cell will be colored.
So I've not been picking fill option.
Yes,
So
you are choosing
okay,
the
I was
color for the
picking
text.
fill. Sorry. Text that contains blanks. Format.
Fill at the top bar.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So it has picked the blank columns for us. If we have a large data set, first, if you see a blank column, or if the entire row is blank, or you just see blank, you have to verify why that place is blank. If you can do away with the blank fields, you can delete them. But on occasions, you may need to adjust some things. So on this occasion, you are just going to delete the blank cells, because we see that it cannot affect our data. Just delete those rows. Just go here. Delete. Click delete. So if you don't delete them, they will affect your analysis. I think that one is clear also.
Please, can you take it again, sir? Please.
Let me undo it. So our data is like this. There's nothing here, nothing here. I said that you may have a very large record of data you want to analyze, and you have to determine whether to remove all those blank cells or you input values into them. It depends on what you want to do, considering the amount of blank records in that data set. Assuming you have a record of about 1,000 rows and you have few blank cells there, like let's say 5, 10. After you have inspected the data, the original source of your data, you find out that that's how it came. You can remove those empty cells, all those blank cells. And the procedure is that you tell Excel to find all those blank cells for you by selecting the entire data set. You can use Control A at times, and you go to conditional formatting. highlight cell rules. More rules. Here you select format only cells that contain what? Blanks. You want to give it the cells color, because if the record is voluminous, it is when you give them distinct colors that you will be able to see them. So you want to give them, to give it color now, you click on this and you mind all this. So we want, it is only the field color, not the text color we want to use. Then the color to fill that cell or those cells, we select a color here, red. We click OK, and we click OK. You know, if this record is more like this, that's how it will paint all the blank rows. That's how it will paste the color it will give to all the blank rows or columns or cells. So what do we do with these blank rows? So we have decided to delete them. So you just come here.
Sorry, before you delete.
Yes.
Yeah, a quick question before you delete. If there is now a need for you to impute a character or figure or text in any of the blank columns, will it change?
Okay.
Will it affect the formatting?
It will change. It will remove the formatting from it. Let's say wait.
Okay. Yeah.
It will change. It will remove that formatting from it.
Yeah,
but since so we have decided to delete
But
it.
sorry, sir.
Yeah.
So instead of color, sir, what if we want to just put text? Possibly want to put NA, non-available. How do we do that, sir?
You type NA there now. You find the blank cell and replace it with the NA. But when you are doing that analysis, you don't need NA.
Okay.
You are just cleaning the data now. You don't need any will affect your analysis.
Okay.
That's it. So we have decided to delete that row or those rows. Then you click on delete here. And this row as well. You click on delete.
But sir, in real world, sir, you know, this data set that we are deleting, you know, it has some other information. You know, what if those information are also needed in analysis? So how do we go about it?
What you can do a lot about it. Firstly, well, we decided to delete them because we feel that we don't need them. But if we need them, then we have to fill them up. It will take our time if we have voluminous data. I think we are going to get there. We are going to get there. I remember that there is a lesson for that. We are going to get there. We are going gradually to fill up blank cells. You can fill them up. But at times, you know, they may not all be numbers. Under name, you may have missed names. So it is somehow tedious at times, but you can still fill them up. And those ones are very, very easy when using programming languages like R or Python. You are going to get there. I think you understand.
Thank you, sir. I got what you're saying.
You're welcome. Excuse me, class. I think we have to go for a break now. And while we are on break, the admin will address us and we can practice our work.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Please, sir, can you just take this last phase again?
Which this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me undo everything.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, sir. Please, if you have a setup for Microsoft of Excel 2022, please can you drop it on the group?
If what?
If you have a setup link, maybe for latest Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Office, please can you drop it on the group?
Can you drop on the group?
Yeah, drop it on the group if you have a setup for it.
You know, where? Do you know about piracy? Let's forget that one. Okay, back to this one. We have under full name, there is a name missing there. Under working hour, there's a value missing there. You should not think that because you have just 5 records here, you are talking about voluminous records. You want to find the blank cells. Maybe thousands of them, maybe hundreds of them. So what we are going to do is that we select the data, go to analyze sales rules. From here, you go to cells that contain. Let's see. Analyze sales rules. Where is it? More rules. So format only cells that contain. You select this one. Sorry, you select this one. Format only cells that contain. That contains what? Then you come here to select blanks. So format only cells that contain blanks. You come here, format, under field, this field, select color. Let's change our color. Okay. So it has selected those blank files, blank cells for us. Then we have decided to, for now, to delete all those rows. So you come here, you delete. Come here, you delete this one also. I think it is clear.
All right. Thanks
Thank you.
so much, Mr. Jimo.
Yeah.
We sincerely appreciate you. And also want to appreciate everyone that has been part of this session from the beginning. I mean, it's really nice. It's really nice having us on the call. So we will be going on a break because Saturday is usually very, very busy for most people.